It's May 19th, 2024. The California poppy flower buds are now forming. There's quite a few from all these plants. The raspberry is flowering, as you can see. Most of the flowers were not pollinated completely, so we're not going to get some raspberry fruits just yet. Here's the asparagus. You can see flowers and leaves coming out from these sprouts. Mulberry, just leaves. I'm not seeing any flowers. Here's the rhubarb flowers. As you can see, they have turned into seeds. And over here on the planter, I planted some beet seeds a few weeks ago, and you can see they are sprouting now. I also planted some strawflower seeds, and you can see all the tiny sprouts. Hopefully we'll get lots of beautiful flowers. And over here's the Chinese lantern plant. It's just been sprouting randomly all over the planter. It's probably seed or there's a root system somewhere. And yeah, I think some flowers are forming. Can't really see them just yet. Here's the blueberry. All the flowers have faded. Well, some of them are still here, but most of them have faded and are slowly turning into blueberries. Over here's the lavender. You can see the lavender is now flowering. Lots of new flower buds forming. It's gonna smell and look really nice. Over here's the peony. The flower buds are now opening. And we have a total of 3 flowers. I think that's what we got last year as well. All the other ones, I don't think they're gonna open. And here's the grape. You can see flowers are forming from the buds. Over here's the hydrangea. Here's the broadleaf variety. You can see the flowers are forming nicely. And we got quite a few of cluster this year. You can see here's another big cluster. And this other variety, the shooting star variety, is also flowering. Let me find you a cluster. Oh, right here. You can see a cluster of flowers forming from this other variety of hydrangea. So yeah, pretty exciting year for hydrangea. We'll get a lot of colors and variety.